Before we start, just close your eyes and center yourself that whatever is happening by Master, for the Master, to the Master. And I am not the one who is doing it, but the Master is guiding and doing everything. Just close your eyes for 2 minutes with this thought.
Good morning, Uncle.
Very good morning, my dear.
So you have been associated with spirituality and meditation for a long time, right?
Yeah, I joined in 1990,
Okay.
almost 40 years.
Okay, so please tell us your views on, the importance of meditation and how is life here in ashram?
Yeah, I have put in lot of years as an abhyasi, as a practicant of this mission. What matters is not the number of years you put in, but what matters is what you do in these number of years. You have got 1 year of experience repeated 30 times, not 30 years of experience. Number 2, I was not knowing anything about spirituality. I knew only pujas, bhajans, slokas. My father, anyway, he gave me those values, those days that was fit. But after coming to spirituality, even what is spirituality, it took a lot of time for me to understand. Mechanically you learn, but it takes time to realize. When you interiorize that, oh, this is what was taught to me, now I realize. So realization is when you really understand the inner meaning of that. Try to understand the inner meaning of it, rather than just by heart And there was a person, a friend of mine, who used to simply by heart the questions, answers and write. But he never knew what is the real meaning of it. The answer he gets 100, but he has not understood he has not interiorized his learning. Interiorizing the learning is to understand the meaning of it, realize it and use it for your practical purpose. Understand? Tell me.
And how is your life in ashram here?
Oh, life is very nice here. Actually, I lost my wife about 6-7 years back. Then I was with my daughter. I was not at all happy. I was sick. I was getting all types of diseases. But my daughter said, no, you have your own house. Go and stay there. You will have ample opportunities to be with all the friends whom you have been associated with 30 years, for the last 30 years. Be with them, enjoy them. Strengthen your relationship, the love between you and the abhyasis and the Master. Then I used to, now I am attending morning satsang, evening satsang and all the programs of the ashram. So, I don't feel anything, it is a heaven here.
So, Uncle, could you please tell us, how to balance? Babuji says that just like a bird flies on its 2 wings, we should also balance both material side and spiritual side of our life. So, could you, tell how should we?
Balance is not having 2 pants and balancing this and balancing that. It is not like that. Airplane flies up. How? There are 2 propellers.
Yes.
And then this and this, they get balanced, then it soars up. If it dips on one side, it will go on to the left. If it dips on the right, it will go to the right. So you will keep on going only to the right or only to the left, depending on how much you dip. So unless you balance both, the aeroplane will not soar. So one of the most important aspects of this is the fundamental principle of your Sahaj Marg, joining Sahaj Marg, doing meditation. That is, you balance life in such a way that you soar high. Not go into one circle, one aspect of spiritual, another aspect of this, no. You balance in such a way that you soar high. you go up. And one more thing about the balance is, everything in life is balance. The Creator created us at the time of jerk, that is called Shobh. The sparks of souls just emerged. At that time, full, complete balance existed in nature. So now we are not having, now we are slowly turning to materialistic side and lost the real balance. So balance is the fundamental principle of Sahaj Marg.
Thank you so much, Uncle. It's been a great experience interviewing you. Your answers are, kind of motivating, and I'm sure it will, give us a guidance to all of us who are yearning to join spirituality. Thank you so much.
And it is His grace. Whatever I don't know, I didn't prepare how to answer what. Simply it came because of His grace.
His grace.
Achha.